Just got this in the mail. I'm going to open it here. This is the mirror for the 2026 Passport that includes the Honda Link with the garage door opener. Now, this is not for a 2026 Passport. This is intended for a different car, but it is compatible, supposedly, to this car. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. So here we have the mirror, and you can see the home link buttons here. It does have a harness. And so as you can see, like I was saying earlier, this is from a 2023 Pilot, but it is supposedly compatible with the 2026 Passport. And so here I have the mirror. I also have this pry tool. I believe I'm going to be taking this out. So let's go ahead and see if I can get that out. So that pretty much just comes right off. I think, yeah, you go downward. This is going further in than that, so I think I have to remove this as well. So for this one, it seemed to do better when I wedged it here and then pulled, and it popped right down. And same for both sides. It looks, based on that, like I can see that it wants you to pull this way to release it. So it's just going to be this right here. Oh, I see. This actually goes out the other way. Yep, there we go. Now that that's removed, I think this can now slide out. Okay, cool. Don't know if you saw that, but yeah, once you've removed that, it just slides up and out. So I think it's just a clip. Yeah, just give it a little bend and it'll pop out on one side. The mirror needs to go in at an angle. And then you're supposed to twist. Oh yeah, look at that. Twist and it pops in place. That was it. But let's get this in there. Let's get that clip back in so it doesn't come out. And now clip it right into that little spot there. Let's put all this back. Now for the bottom piece, making sure that it's on the outside of this ridge here. And just push up to clip everything back in. So now let's go ahead and get this program. What you're going to want to do is take your remote and hold it down. And then press the button you want to program. Hold that down until it goes green. There you go. Now you can let go of the button. And once that starts flashing, right now it's going through the learning process and figuring everything out. So let's go ahead and wait for that. All right, now it should be done with the learning process. Let's go ahead and trigger this. There we go. Garage door is closing. Just as I finished installing the mirror, I received this letter from the mailman for my vehicle's extended warranty, and this is exactly what I needed. I definitely wanted to purchase this.